If you're considering Odoo accounting for your business, there are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. While it's often seen as a versatile option, there are some key points that set it apart from competitors, and understanding these can help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. First, Odoo is part of a broader ERP system, meaning it integrates seamlessly with a variety of business functions. Unlike standalone accounting software, Odoo lets you manage everything from inventory to project management alongside your financials. This gives you a unified view, which is a big advantage for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. Next thing to consider is customization. Odoo accounting offers a high level of customization, which can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, you can tailor it to meet your specific needs, but on the other, it may require more time and expertise than simpler software like QuickBooks or Xero, which come more out of the box ready. The third thing is scalability. Odoo grows with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, Odoo's modular design allows you to scale up without needing to switch to another platform. This is a huge advantage over competitors that might require costly upgrades or even migrations as your business expands. Now, the fourth thing to know is the learning curve. While Odoo is powerful, its interface can be overwhelming for new users, especially compared to simpler platforms. If you're not familiar with ERP systems, it might take some time to get comfortable with its full functionality. If ease of use is a priority, you might want to compare it with more user-friendly alternatives like FreshBooks or Zoho Books. The fifth thing to keep in mind is cost. Odoo offers a free version, but it can become expensive as you add more features or users. Unlike some competitors with fixed pricing, Odoo charges on a per-app basis. So if you're just looking for accounting, it might seem affordable at first, but the cost can add up quickly when you add on additional modules. Next thing to think about is automation. Odoo offers a variety of automation tools, which can save a lot of time. From invoice generation to tax compliance, many processes are automated. While this can greatly improve efficiency, it's important to make sure the automation features meet your business's specific needs, as they may not be as comprehensive as those in specialized accounting platforms. The seventh thing is reporting. Odoo provides a solid suite of reporting tools, but compared to platforms like Xero, it can feel a little basic. If detailed, in-depth reporting is critical to your business, you might find Odoo's offerings lacking in comparison. Moving on to the eighth point, customer support. Odoo offers support, but it's not always as responsive or accessible as some competitors. For smaller businesses that rely heavily on quick issue resolution, this could be a downside. Software like QuickBooks offers round-the-clock support, which may be more appealing for those who need immediate assistance. The ninth thing is security. Odoo takes security seriously, offering features like role-based access control and data encryption. However, as with any cloud-based solution, it's essential to ensure that your data is properly protected and compliant with local regulations, especially if you're handling sensitive financial information. The 10th thing is integration. Odoo excels here, with the ability to integrate with hundreds of third-party apps, giving you flexibility. However, depending on your business's existing tech stack, integrations can sometimes be tricky, and you may require technical support to make them work seamlessly. Next thing to consider is updates. Odoo is constantly releasing new features and updates, which can be great for keeping your software up to date with the latest technology. But this frequent updating can sometimes introduce bugs or compatibility issues with other parts of the system, which is something to watch out for. The 12th and final thing is the overall experience. If you're looking for a robust accounting tool that's deeply integrated into a larger ERP system, Odoo accounting could be a great choice. However, if your focus is purely on accounting and you're not planning to use other parts of Odoo's system, you might find more specialized tools better suited to your needs. In conclusion, Odoo accounting is a good option for businesses looking for a flexible, scalable solution. But if you're looking for a better option that focuses purely on accounting, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.